Imagine your grandkids being introduced to the earth someday. Mr. Cuff, Mr. Headache, and Mrs. Asthma. The power plant produces 21.3% of carbon dioxide, enhancing the greenhouse effect, resulting in such consequences. Yet, the world still demands the presence of those power plants, even if they're the main source for decades of global warming. So, is it possible to reduce the greenhouse effect by transforming captured carbon dioxide from power plants into a useful product? We came up with an idea to transform captured carbon dioxide from power plants and transform it into a useful industrial economically effective product, which is carbonic acid, to reduce the greenhouse effect in addition to providing profit to the power plant. The reaction will occur in the presence of carbonic anhydrase enzyme, as it happens in many living cells.
We carried out several experiments on lab scale to determine the optimum conditions for the reaction to occur. When controlling the variables, the optimum temperature was 40 degrees Celsius, the optimum pH was 7, and as we increased the enzyme concentration, the rate of the reaction increased. Then, we have sketched a design to arrange for the process. Firstly, the captured carbon dioxide will pass out to the power plant's condenser to be cooled down to avoid denaturing of the enzyme. Then, it will pass into a container containing water and carbonic anhydrase enzyme, which will be sticked on the walls of the container by calcium alginate for the reaction to occur. Then the reaction's product, carbonic acid, will be allowed to pass into barrels on a conveyor containing different chemicals as hydroxides to increase the products for a wider industrial use.
Also, here is our feasibility study results if we take 10 tons of carbon dioxide, transforming it into carbonic acid, and sell them all per day. As a conclusion, our solution decreases 0.58% of the amount of the carbon dioxide released from power plants for every 10 tons transformed into carbonic acid, a useful product which enters in several industries for humans' benefit, aiding the station financially rather than just killing our Earth.